course, our 10K third placer will get 2,000 gadgets. So, we'll be giving away 2 Galaxy Buds. We'd like to request here our channel manager. On stage, we have Miss Catherine. Here we go. Alright, nagtulog na. I-check inyo mga pangalan. Dua ka lucky winners, ani. Two. Katayok Queenie. Queenie Katayok. Queenie Katayok. Dapat na si Queenie. Queenie na ba? Wala si Queenie. Cedric Ibarle. Cedric Ibarle.